Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
All right, let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney alongside Alexis Christophers, and we're joined by Bloomberg's John Tucker. Oh my
John's
goodness!
Staring at me. What's
what do you
happening?
got
He's
for
scaring me.
Stock movers. What could go wrong here?
Don't worry, Lisa will be back at some point in the near future. Let's start with DigitalBridge. It's actually the most active stock. It was in the pre-market, and it was up. SoftBank, in advanced talks to acquire DigitalBridge. This is a private equity firm that invests in stuff like, get ready for it, data centers.
Yeah.
So SoftBank could announce an agreement. It could come as soon as today. It's part of SoftBank's campaign to take advantage of the AI-driven boom in digital infrastructure. Don't know the terms yet. In fact, they haven't even confirmed it. But shares in DigitalBridge, they were already up something like 23% so far this year through Friday. The company has a market value of about $2.5 billion. Now, SoftBank's billionaire founder, Masayoshi Son, trying to capitalize on soaring demand for computing capacity that underpins the artificial intelligence applications. DigitalBridge is led by the CEO, Marc Ganzi. They had about $108 billion of assets under management at the end of September, according to the website at least. And the portfolio includes digital infrastructure operators like Ames, Atlas Edge, DataBank, Switch, Vantage, well, you get the point. In January, you'll recall that SoftBank announced a $500 billion project. They called it Stargate to build data centers in the United States. So this is part of that. It was kind of interesting because at the time, Mr. Son at SoftBank said he was crying because of the fact that he had to raise money, and to do that, he had to sell some of the shares of NVIDIA to reallocate the money to other AI
The world's smallest
spending.
Violin is playing for him right now.
Exactly.
Well, come on, Alexis.
Exactly.
Let's switch to building airplanes. Not an easy business.
Nope.
Airbus churning out aircraft at a rapid clip in the final days of the year. They have confidence that they can achieve the delivery goal they were forced to cut only a few weeks ago. Airbus has delivered about 90 civil aircraft so far this month, with another 35 or so earmarked for delivery. So the company is set to unveil its official numbers for orders and deliveries early next month. Airbus will also set a new target for annual handovers. They're trying to avoid the embarrassment of falling short of the delivery target that it lowered again just earlier this month. Now, the company made the revision after a series of glitches involving the A320 model, which is actually its bestseller, including a massive recall for a software upgrade, and then the discovery of fuselage panels on the same plane model that didn't meet specifications and actually required extra inspections and all that stuff.
Sure.
Let's do miners. Shares in silver miners falling. Metal retreated sharply. It did surge past $80 an ounce for the first time. Those silver stocks include Core, ticker symbol CDE. Now, who had to weigh in on all this? Yes, Elon Musk. During the weekend, Musk highlighted the growing investor frenzy, replying to a tweet on Chinese export restrictions by saying on X, "This is not good."
Thank you, Mr. Musk.
That's really
insight.
Deep insight there. You ever use a dating app?
No, because they came out after I was married, safely married.
Oh, okay. No, I'm not trying to put you on the spot, but stocks of dating apps like Match in the news. Some people apparently are using dating apps to find job opportunities and network with potential employers rather than find romantic hookups. A survey finds about a third of dating app users have sought matches for job-related purposes, and many have targeted people who work at desirable employers or in roles that they want. Which,
So how does that
maybe
take
I'm
go?
old-fashioned, but this really seems disingenuous.
Yeah,
Exactly.
So you meet for dinner, you start to chat it up, talk about their background, and you say, "Hey, by the way, are you hiring?"
Are you guys hiring?
You know what I mean?
End of date right there.
Yeah,
Anyway,
end of date, correct.
that's the stocks we're
We're
looking at
old
this
school
morning.
here. We just go to bars. See if you can find your mate there.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.